Hello there and welcome to your personal video here at your next car of the BMW 325d Touring in red. So we'll give you a quick walk around the outside of the car and I'll talk you through some of the features and options that are included on this particular vehicle. So starting with the outside of the car, of course you can see it does feature the Your Next Car performance kit, which is all fitted in-house here at Your Next Car. On this particular vehicle we've gone for the stunning gloss black performance kit. Included in that is the gloss black kidney grills, gloss black front splitter, which ties in really nicely with the red of the body colour. It has got the 19-inch diamond cut BMW LA M Sport alloys. Behind the wheels it does include the M Sport brake package, which is the much larger brake calipers, brake discs all the way around. A very nice option to have indeed, especially on a car that is such as powerful as this one. Down the side we've got the black sidebars, side decals and then performance decals as well. We have got privacy glass on the rear windows. Inside the car we have a heated black Dakota leather with electric lumbar support there. We have the Harman Kardon's sound system with Logic 7. To our knowledge, this is one of two of 325 diesel Tourings in red for sale at the moment in the country, so it's a particularly unique vehicle in that sense, and our performance kit certainly helps that. Another nice feature of the Tourings is the split glass tailgate. You can of course open the tailgate fully using the electric tailgate. It is of course fully electric opening and closing. Okay, so if we jump on in now and I'll show you around some of the interior features and options. We also have the power fold mirror function, which is a particularly nice option to have, especially if you are going to park the garage the vehicle or park it on a bit of a narrower street. The vehicle itself is covered 53,531. It has the professional wide navigation and media. It has Bluetooth communications and media. It has DAB radio of course, and a wide array of multimedia inputs, thanks to the fact it is the professional setup. It has the 8-speed sport gearbox with pedal shift, heated seats which we've already mentioned. It also has the high beam assist function, therefore it will turn the high beam off and on for you as and when it is required if you have that setting turned on. Harman Kardon, which we've already showed you. Okay, so that pretty much sums up the video on the 325 diesel Touring in red. Thank you very much for watching. We hope to see you very soon. Thank you, take care, goodbye.